searchchoicemcq.com for CITA, DITA, CFS, DFS, CDTP, DDTP and others. Link of the websites in description. A computer language for informing the DBMS regarding the data structure used is option A Pascal, option B DDL, option C Prolog, option D Photon. Answer option B DDL. The Internet was originally a project for this government agency. Option A ARPA, option B NSF, option C NSA, option D FCC. Answer option A ARPA. Cylinder symbol represents option A magnetic disk, option B input, option C connector, option D annotation. Answer option A magnetic disk. Safari browser came into market in the year option A 2000, option B 2001, option C 2002, option D 2003. Answer option D 2003. The relational model is concerned with option A data structure and data integrity, option B data manipulation, option C both 1 and 2, option D none of these. Answer option C both 1 and 2. In Access, this view is used to create and modify the structure of a form. Option A normal, option B datasheet, option C form design, option D control. Answer option C form design. Parameter query apply on option A action query, option B non-action query, option C both 1 and 2, option D none of these. Answer option C both 1 and 2. Which one of the following is not a search engine? Option A Bing, option B Google, option C Yahoo, option D Windows. Answer option D Windows. Diagram that represents steps or operation involved in any kind of process is called option A system diagram, option B management hierarchy, option C flowcharts, option D convenience diagrams, answer option C flowcharts. Flowcharts act as a guide or blueprint during the system analysis. It is a advantage is called option A communications, option B proper debugging, option C effective analysis, option D efficient coding. Answer option D efficient coding. Which data type store yes/no type data? Option A variant, option B integer, option C boolean, option D string. Answer option C boolean. Which of the following is not the required condition for binary search algorithm? Option A the list must be sorted, option B there should be the direct access to the middle element in any sublist, option C there must be mechanism to delete and / or insert elements in list. Option D, none of above. Answer: there must be mechanism to delete and slash or insert elements in. What is an algorithm? Option A flowchart. Option B, step by step instruction used to solve a problem. Option C, a flowchart or P pseudocode. Option D, addition. Answer: option B, step by step instructions used to solve a problem. In flowcharts of algorithms, messages are classified as: option A, steps of algorithm. Option B, selection of steps. Option C, cancellation of procedures. Option D, addition of steps. Answer: steps of algorithm.